How to fix can't be opened because Apple cannot check it for malicious software error on Mac. This is part of macOS Gatekeeper security feature, which ensures that the software is safe to run. If you trust the app and want to open it, you can bypass this message with a few simple steps. First of all, locate the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen and simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, from the drop down menu, tap on the System Settings option available there. Now, once inside the System Settings, at the left hand side panel, simply tap on the Privacy and Security option available there. Once you tap on the Privacy and Security, scroll down till the bottom, and there you will get to see Allow application from and tap on the App Store and non-developers. Now what happens is when you are trying to run something on a Mac and if it does not open, then here you will get to see an option like the name of the app and open anyway option available there. Now all you have to do is, if you trust this software, then tap on the open anyway option available there and open it to your Mac. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.